We're looking at Deere here on the weekly chart. No matter how you draw this up, nice little breakout in here of this overall structure in the past week. Actually, the past 2 weeks, just big, strong moves in here, decent volume, big green candles. That's what we like to see on a stock that actually doesn't really move a whole lot. So $20 here and another $20 or so here. We will definitely take that. Now, where does that kind of put us overall? Well, we're currently trading basically at that 515 mark. We're right up against it right now. That's going to be our first level. We're looking at 516 above that, 519, and then we're looking at 526 to the upsides in here. Now, to the downside, obviously, previous resistance is going to become our new support. So 511, that's going to be the this previous upper resistance line of this overall structure. That is now going to be a support we're watching. Anything below there, we're looking at that $500 psych level. And then below that, we are looking at this upper Bollinger Band. And that's basically going to be at that $500 psych level as well. So that's kind of your areas you're looking at. You can look at the 491s as well if we do end up reaching that 500 level. RSI in here is climbing just a little bit. So big move in here the past 2 weeks, and yet still your RSI is not extremely overbought. So that's good news for us in here. We're only at 61. So we still could have some legs to this move in here. We're going to see what happens coming up on a shortened week, especially with all the crazy news going on with the overall market. We're going to see how these old school stocks, right? These Deere, Johnson & Johnson, things like that. How are these things going to hold up? Just the good old industrial, just good old Dow stocks that are just been around for a while. We're going to see how they start to react with this overall market and see where we go from there. Maybe that'll give us a hint of what's going to come as far as our next earnings cycle that we just started. IV ranking here sitting at 21, $12 expected move by this Friday. Next Friday, $20. If you go all the way out to February, right around a $30 expected move is what everybody's pricing in. So all in all, nice little 2 weeks in here for Deere. Nice breakout last week. Let's see if we can continue that momentum with an RSI that's only at 61. Perhaps a little bit more legs to this move would climb us into these 520s. And then after that, then we can worry about the consolidation. But if not, then look to come back down in here and see if we're going to respect this previous resistance, which is now our new support of this overall structure here. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you're interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.